Imagine waking up to a world where your car drives itself, your fridge predicts your grocery needs, and disease is detected before it even starts. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But here's the kicker. This isn't some distant future. These innovations are knocking at our door in 2025. Stay tuned as we dive into the top 5 groundbreaking innovations that will redefine our lives. And trust me, number 5 will blow your mind. Technology is evolving faster than ever. Blink, and you might miss the next big thing. But as exciting as this sounds, there's a flip side. What if you don't adapt? Will you be left behind in a world you barely understand? That's why it's crucial to stay informed. And today, we're uncovering the innovations that are not just cool, but absolutely essential to know about. First up, autonomous delivery drones. Imagine ordering your favorite sneakers, and within minutes, a drone lands at your doorstep. Sounds magical. Companies like Amazon and Zipline are already testing fleets capable of delivering packages, groceries, and even medical supplies. These drones could eliminate traffic delays, reduce carbon emissions, and redefine convenience. But here's the twist. What happens when the skies are full of buzzing drones? Chaos or harmony? Let's find out. Oops, guess we still have a few glitches to iron out. Let's move on to innovation number 2. Now, this one is straight out of a sci-fi movie, AI in healthcare. Imagine an AI that knows you better than your doctor, analyzing your health data 24/7 and alerting you about potential diseases before they develop. Sounds incredible, right? But here's the scary part. Who owns this data, and how is it being used? Privacy concerns are rising, but the potential to save lives is undeniable. It's a race between innovation and regulation, and it's one you don't want to miss. Speaking of races, the next innovation is all about speed, speeding up how we interact with our digital worlds. 5G feels like it just arrived, and now 6G is already on the horizon. Think about downloading a full movie in the blink of an eye or real-time holographic calls. The possibilities are endless, but here's the catch. Will everyone have equal access, or are we heading for a deeper digital divide? The clock is ticking, and countries are already vying for the lead. Who will win, and what does it mean for you? We've all been there. Let's hope 6G can rescue us from the spinning wheel of doom. Quantum computing, the ultimate game changer. It's not just about faster computers, it's about solving problems we thought were impossible, like climate modeling, secure communications, or designing life-saving drugs. But here's the plot twist. Quantum computers could also crack traditional encryption. Are we heading toward a cybersecurity crisis? Or a new dawn of innovation? It's a double-edged sword, and the stakes couldn't be higher. But if you think quantum computing is mind-blowing, wait until you hear about the final innovation. This one could reshape humanity itself. Finally, human-AI collaboration. We're not talking about robots replacing humans. We're talking about teaming up. Imagine artists creating with AI, engineers building smarter cities, and you leveraging AI tools to enhance every aspect of your life. But here's the burning question. Where does collaboration end and dependence begin? Could this partnership empower us or limit us? The answer lies in how we choose to use this incredible potential. So, there you have it. The top 5 innovations to watch in 2025. From drones to quantum computers, these technologies promise to change the world. But the question is, how will you adapt? And speaking of adapting, if you're curious about the future of AI and whether it will replace humans, click on this video right here. Don't just watch, be part of the conversation. Because the future isn't waiting, it's happening now.